Hey guys, welcome to today's video. It's Judy here with my Life as Kikay. In today's video, I am going to be swatching for you guys the Natasha Denona Sunrise eyeshadow palette. I do have a review for this palette up on my YouTube channel, so I'm going to leave it linked up here in the info card and in the description box down below. But just for today's video, I am going to be swatching all of these shades. Oh, hi, there's you guys. There's me, there's my double chin. In today's video, I'm going to be swatching all of these shades for you guys. I need something to cover this so you don't see me. Well, that's it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I shall catch you all in my next video. Bye!